What's that sound?
Mm-hmm.
What's that sound?
S.
And what's that sound? Okay? We're going to pretend that those are the only letter sounds you know. I know you know more of them, but we'll pretend so that for any letter sounds that you don't have the letters up here, you can just use this. If I give you the word fat, what is fat? Start with. And how would you make the rest of the word? At. Right. Let's say the sounds. At. Good. Put those back up. Now I'm going to give you the word safe. A. Okay. A. You got your sounds right, but do you have a letter you can put there? Yep. So let's say it. A.
Safe.
Right. Okay. How about sat? Let's hear the sounds.
At.
Okay. Say the sounds.
At.
What word does that make?
Sat.
It does. Sat. How about the word Sam? How would you do Sam? You got it. Okay, let's do this. Right? Okay, put them back up. All right, here's a real tough one. Fast. You run fast. Oh, it's not tough at all. You got it. Let's say each sound.
Fast.
And what's the word?
Fast.
Fast. And you said that fast. Great. You're great at doing that.